So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade deodorant. You're going to need something to measure, coconut oil, fragrances. Tea tree is an antibacterial, so you really do want to have that in there. It is not necessary though. Baking soda and something to stir and scrape. Always sterilize your jars before adding anything in them. Measure out 1.5 cups of baking soda and set it to the side. Measure out 1 cup of coconut oil. I found a spoon works much easier for the coconut oil. Air dry the jars. Melt your coconut oil in a double boiler. Once the oil is completely melted, add the baking soda and mix it completely together. Now that it is thoroughly mixed, divide the mixture equally into the containers. Add 40 drops of any essential oil or fragrance. Mix and match. Have fun with this step. Mix again. Make sure to wash your blender between each fragrance. Make sure your jars are completely dry before adding in your deodorant. Divide the deodorant equally between the 2 4-ounce jars. Clean up any spills on the sides or top. These are examples of different fragrances that I have for sale on my Etsy shop. Check out the link in the description. This is what it looks like once it's solidified. To use, take a little bit, put it on your underarm, and wash your hands when you're done. It's that easy.